Alright, I have a good news for you. Fortinet is providing a free certification that is Fortinet Certified Associate Cybersecurity. And what are the requirements? The requirements, if you read, are basically two. To obtain FCA certification, you must complete FortiGate Operator course, which is this one, and pass the NSE 3 exam, which is this one. And how long the certification is valid? It will be active for 2 years. And what are the benefits? You'll get the exam batch as well, which is something like this. And the second is the certification batch as well once you achieve the FCA cybersecurity certification. So let's get started. I have done all the homework. This is the FortiGate Operator page. And if you see here, the same thing is mentioned. It's a self-paced online course. And here you got the exam, NSE 3 exam. And once done, you'll get this batch. That is, the exam is in the FCA cybersecurity certification track. And the course duration is 6.5 hours. So let's begin. You need to click on Enroll Now. If you don't have an account in the Fortinet or using for the first time, you need to click on the Create Account. Otherwise, you can put your email ID and password if you already have one. Let's click on Create Account. I'll show everything from the scratch if you are completely new. So here you can put your own email address, can be personal email address. Let me put the email address and click on Create Account. Then I'll be prompted out with the verification code received on my email. Let's go ahead. So once you have provided the basic details like first name, last name, you got to accept the terms and condition. I'll click on Accept. Alright, once we are done creating the account, let's try to log in using our email and password now. Alright, now let's put the security code received on our email and then we'll click on Go. Let's click on the Go now. Alright, once login, we'll be presented out with your dashboard page. So now let's go again back to the registration page here. So here we have the FortiGate Operator. I'll click on the Enroll Now. So then you again got to fill up the basic details like the time zone and the language. Then click on Update Profile. Let's click here, the update profile. So once your profile is updated, we got to navigate once again. You can open the web page link again. Otherwise, we can go to the library here. Now here, let's search for operator and you'll be redirected here, the self-paced. Let's click here. Now let's again click Enroll Now. Alright, here we go. We got to select the language. English looks good. I'll select this. And there we go, the FortiGate 7.6 Operator self-paced course, which is 6.5 hours duration, is unlocked now. And here it's written, you got to pass the exam with a score of 75% or higher. And it will be, all the lessons are here. If you have a look, and here the link below for the quiz will start. So that's what it goes. So please do share this video with your friends and colleagues so that they can get certified in cybersecurity and get them started in the cybersecurity career. Please consider subscribing to this channel because I regularly update videos related to high paying certification and free certification vouchers which will save you tons of money. Please check out my other courses on Udemy by searching Cloud Guru Amit, where I have tons of courses related to cloud computing. That is Azure, Google Cloud, AWS, cybersecurity, management courses, and many more. And also please consider connecting with me on LinkedIn at the rate of Cloud Guru Amit or Instagram at the rate of Amit Physique, where if you need any kind of personal assistance, I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do consider sharing this video with your colleagues or friends so that they can also utilize the training program provided by NVIDIA.